Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Just wanted to give you guys a quick fix if you guys were trying to upgrade to the Nvidia app. It's a new app that just came out that replaces the Nvidia GeForce experience. I know that quite a few people, including myself, were having an issue with when you click the install button on the Nvidia app, you get a installation failed. I tried uninstalling the GeForce experience and that was a whole pain. I tried deleting and uninstalling everything, all of my video drivers, and that did not work, but this actually worked for me. So you're just going to copy this right here. I'll leave it down in the description, but it's literally just, it'll take you to your NVIDIA Corporation file. So yeah, you go to Program Files, NVIDIA Corporation, and Installer 2 is the folder you want to be at. Once you get there, it's going to look just like this. You're going to have a bunch of these different container files, audio files, display files, all this stuff. You're literally going to delete all of this, because once you delete it and then you go back in and install the NVIDIA app, all of these will repopulate anyways, but your problem persists here. It's in one of these folders. I don't know which one, is so many to go through, but if you delete all of them, it doesn't hurt your display driver at all. You'll be able to go ahead and install the NVIDIA app. If you guys have any more questions, just leave them down in the chat. Yep, and then you guys are more than welcome to reach out to me via Discord. But I hope this helped. You guys have a wonderful day. Stay blessed. Peace.